All right, you've obtained your FAA Form 8610-2, and you've been blessed by the FAA to continue your A&P journey. Now you can be authorized to test. So there's a couple of things you got to do. You got to do IACRA, IACRA. Got to register on the FAA's website and get your FTN number, FAA tracking number. That's what that means. So sign up for that. Sign up for PSI, which is the only vendor that administers the exam. So I can actually pop that up and show you how that is done. So there you go. You go here and register. Oh, they kind of changed it up a bit. There we go. Never mind, they didn't. Go right here and you register. Let's see where it goes. Applicant. Agree to continue. See how far I can go with this. You don't have that yet. The FAA form, put the date of issuance here. Personal information, security questions, and bam, register. PSI. Agree. And then you just register. This is not the right location. I'll give it some time to figure out what it wants to do. I think I'm in the wrong place. Oh, here we go. And here you can create your account with that FTN number right here, like it gives you the directions here. Input that and it'll definitely help you with creating the account. You can get administered into that.